this data, what we can see is a raw data format. Is a very good format for analysis. In the special situation, people will prefer to have the report in this manner. It will be having the ID and the number, but the number will be separated by a comma instead of some other method. So it could be 11, 22, 33. Meanwhile, the next one will be beta 44, 55, and Charlie 66. This will be the expected result. However, this kind of work is not easy to use pivot table or some other formulas to get this thing done. Let's see how we're able to use Excel differently to get this result easily. The very first step, we want to convert this whole data into a table. The shortcut key is Ctrl T in Excel. After I created this, it's a very good habit. I strongly recommend we change the name after we create a table. So we go to Design. On the left side, you will see something called Table Name. Currently it says Table 1. I change it to called Table Data. I just keep it simple. After that, I want to load this table into Excel, something called Get and Transform. Inside Data, on the far left side, I will see something called Get and Transform Data. Then I will see there's a button called From Table and Range. When I click on this, Excel will load the data into a brand new world. This is called Power Query. Now I want to do some grouping so that the numbers is able to group together. Subsequently, I'm able to delimit them by using comma. That will be alpha 11, 22, 33. This is the end result. First, I select column where will be the group. There will be alpha, beta, and Charlie. I go to the home. There's something called group by. Inside group by, I'm able to choose what is the data I want to group by, and the operation is I want to keep all rows. That means the numbers, subsequently I need to do something about on the number. So I just leave the name as the count. It's just a temporary. Later I can just remove it. Then I press OK. So I can see this whole thing ready. And this table, it has all the data in it, which is not what we want. I'm unable to expand it, otherwise it will return the data as what we were before. So now I need to go to Add Column, Custom Column, and I want to type something like this. Table.columns, where I refer to the column of count. Inside count is a table. I'm getting the column inside the table called number out. After that, I press OK. I can see it appears as a list. It was table. It has ID and number. Now the number it was extracted into individual column by itself here. So I will see as a list. If I click, I can see the result appear at the bottom. It means 11, 22, and 33. If I click the next one, it will be 44 and 55. It means we are almost there. Subsequently, I expand the data so that I want to extract the values and delimited by a comma. After that, I press OK. I'm able to see the result in this way. And now I want to do some touch up on the data. This is not the column we want. I just remove. Change the column name instead of custom. I make it as number. Then I press enter. And finally, I want to load the result back to the screen. I can go home, close and load. Usually close and load Excel will create a brand new worksheet and load the data there. In this context, I want to load this side by side of the original data. So therefore, I click close and load the lower half of it, close and load to, and Excel will prompt us where we want to load the massage data to. So I want to load to existing worksheet where I want to place it in D1. After that, I press OK. I can see the result appears almost immediately on the screen. If I have any changes on the data, currently I will put Charlie and it will be 77. I go back to the table here where it's in green color. I just need to right click and refresh. I'm able to get the new result appears. This is done seamlessly using Excel alone. If you like or benefiting from this video, please like and share to your friends and colleagues so that they are able to benefiting from this kind of learning. And it will inspire them to do more in Excel so that they are able to achieve better life with it. My name is Excel, here Excel Sifu from YXL.